everybody, John Randall here from ClassicWindsurfing.com. Today I'm just making this really short video to show you one way of re-gripping the deck on your classic sailboard. I've got the Mistral takeoff here. I've actually got a couple of these, and what I found, it's a 40-year-old board and the deck is sort of a bit slippery these days. Now, there are lots of options. You can do things like put epoxy resin on it and sugar or salt or whatever. Paint it on, then once it all goes hard, you wash the sugar and the salt off and you get a nice rough finish. There's also some third-party pre-made grips that you can actually paint on. But I really didn't want to do any of that. I didn't want to actually put any new sort of coatings on my board. So what I'm using is the Harkin grip tape. This stuff here sticks on just about anything, even sticks on polyethylene boards. It's kind of got this rubbery feel on it, and it works really, really well. So it comes in different widths. This one's 5 centimeters wide, and you buy it in a roll, or you can buy it in sort of 1 meter lengths. The price varies a lot, so I think I paid around about $20 Australian per meter for this. And all I've done is I've just cut a few pieces. You can kind of see about how big they are. They're about 30 centimeters, 40 centimeters. I've rounded off the edges. And all you do is you peel off the backing and you just lay it on the board, wherever you want to put it, and you're done. Highly recommend this stuff. The only thing I will say, depending on what kind of stickers your board's got on it, and this is a bit of a funny one, if you actually put it on, at least on these old boards, if you put it over the top of your stickers and then you decide you want to peel it off, it can actually take a little bit of the sticker off as well. So, for my board today, I don't have to do that. I'm just putting it on just the white places. Anyway, I'll put a few photos up when I'm finished. Alrighty, so putting these little non-skid pieces on took me about 3 minutes, I'd say. Cutting them took a little bit longer, took about 5 minutes to get them nice and round. Sticking them on, I know they're going to work great because I've used them on my other boards. They don't take away too much from the look of the board, especially they're a little bit sort of white at the moment. These are translucent ones, believe it or not, but they look white. Once they discolor a little bit with the sun, they'll just blend in. They work great. I haven't damaged the board, so if I want to take them off, I can just peel them off, and we are good to go.